Good morning. Okay, so I'm doing a really quick project. I have a laptop case that I want to put my name on. So I'm gonna print this out that I created, and I'm going to do a sublimation printer. And I selected this and I hit group and then I hit flatten. And the reason I do that is so when I go to make it, it looks just like this. Because it does have to be a print and cut, but I do want it one piece. Okay, so I'll be right back. Let me load it to the mat. Actually, I meant to say I need to put it on the printer first. We have to print it. Okay, I'm just so excited to get started. Okay, so we are going to hit continue and we're going to send it to the printer. And I'm going to leave the bleed on. And I need to put it to the Epson. And then we're gonna hit print. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so on the Cricut, I'm going to click on printable iron on. And then we're all set. And the reason that I did the, just explain a little bit, the reason I did the flatten is then it prints, and when it cuts around, it cuts here. So this is one solid image. If I didn't do that, then it would actually cut out the T and the O and this and the little dots, and it would just cut out everything, and that would just be too hard. So it depends on the project that you're doing. This one, I definitely do not want that. So, okay. Okay, so this, all you do with this is just kind of pick it off. Let me just get one little corner because it cut it. There we go. I love this stuff. It's just so nice and breathable and thin and easy and okay. So I'm going to put it like right there, and I'm facing this way. Let me see. Okay, I need to grab the cover for it. Hold on. Okay, I had to grab parchment paper. I'm gonna put it over it, and then we are good to go. Okay, and I only need to do this for like 10 seconds. This looks so cool. I don't know why I didn't think about it before. It just added a little flair to my laptop case, so when I'm out traveling or I need to take it with me, I know whose is whose, and it looks cute. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you. Bye.